How to download all messages on Messenger. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create, Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Facebook app on your device. Log into your account. Head towards three-line icon at top right to access menu. Scroll to the bottom and choose Settings and Privacy. Now select Settings option and tap See More in Account Centers. Tap the Informations and Permissions option and tap Download Your Information. Now you need to simply select Download or Transfer Information, and there you will get the option for Messages. You simply need to check mark the box and tap on Create Files, and after that, in the similar way, your files will be created to download, and once it has been downloaded you'll be notified on your email address, and then after locating the files you can easily download all messages on Messenger. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.